Now we are going to read about rural settlement patterns. Whenever you hear the word settlements, immediately recollect that it is talking about the way humans are settled, how their houses are constructed at a given location. There are some criteria based on that rural settlements are categorized. Now similarly, there are criteria for urban settlements too, but right now we'll read about rural settlement. The first one is on the basis of setting. When we say setting, we mean the environment setting, the physical feature or the geographic location of rural settlement. You'll find villages in plain, plateau, coastal areas, mountain, forest and deserts, etc. Notice these are also physical features of a country, so this is the environment setting we are referring to. The second one is on the basis of functions. When we say function, we mean people's occupation. So generally in a rural settlement, people engage in primary activities like agriculture, fishing, animal husbandry, collecting livestock, etc. So when we say on the basis of function, we are referring to people's occupations. The third criteria is on the basis of forms or shapes of the settlements. Now this is an important point and there are sub-points in it. When we say forms or shapes of these settlements, we are talking about how will a village look if we were to see it from above. I mean, what will be the pattern in which houses are laid or constructed? How will the roads look? How will the overall scenario look? Now under this we have certain geometrical shapes and forms. The first one is linear pattern. By linear we mean a straight line. Here the houses are located along a straight road, a railway line, river, then a canal. So from top it will look like a long straight line of houses. So this is called linear pattern. The second one is rectangular pattern. So rectangular shape depicts a box shape. Here the roads are rectangular and cut each other at right angles. From above it will look like a block of houses packed in a rectangular box. Have a look at this picture. This is what a rectangular pattern of settlement looks like. In fact, your colony is an example of rectangular pattern. The third one is circular pattern. By the word circular, you can figure out that the settlement in this pattern is somewhat in circular shape. As it is, the rural settlement is compact and close to each other. Therefore, from outside the villages look like a fortified wall. This kind of pattern is common in the Yamuna districts, Malwa region in Madhya Pradesh, Punjab and Gujarat. The fourth one is star-like pattern. They look something like this. Here if you see, several roads from different directions converge and houses are constructed along the road in all directions. This pattern is common in both villages and towns. The fifth one is T-shaped, Y-shaped, cross-shaped settlement or cruciform settlement. T-shaped settlement can be seen near a tri-junction, and Y-shaped settlement can be seen when two roads converge into one. Then cross-shaped or cruciform settlement can be seen near a crossroad or a chaurasta, where roads are extended in four directions, and houses are constructed along these roads to form settlements. And the last one is double village. Here the settlements is on both sides of a river, and they are connected through a bridge or a ferry or a small boat. So this is called a double village. So these were all the different shapes and patterns of rural settlement. If you want to see more of such educational content, make sure you're subscribed. By doing so, you'll get an alert when my next video comes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.